Tinan mo yung mga kanya. Tinan mo yung mga kanya.
Paano kay Artie, men? Makanya talaga yun. Kay Artie.
Kanya siya lang gagawa niya.
Talaga?
Oo.
Tinan mo siya. Tapos yung...
I know.
Kuchi-kuchi ko.
Talagang mangailangan yung bayo-bayo ang nakikilga.
Ayun nga.
I'll just sit here. Ito naman isa. Pretty daw siya.
Oo.
Tutuwa.
Matawa sa baby to.
Ready na si Janine.
Yeah, at least ready na yan. Hindi siya, no?
Hindi siya magsaselos.
Yan, magselos yan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tutuwa siya.
Kasi kung magsaselos yan, nako.
Ayun nga.
Sabi niya pag babae,
Kuha ko ng picture.
papalitan niya ng diaper.
Pag lalaki daw, wala eh.
Ba?
Okay, sige na.
Okay. Okay. I may never march in the infantry.
Hey, come with me.
Ano?
Come with me.
Tabi ka daw dyan.
Tabi.
Okay.
Tabi with me. Sige, sing na.
Maraming kanto.
Sing. Ready?
Ikaw lang ah.
Never march in the infantry. Run the cavalry.
Hey,
I am the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's
that's up. I'm in the Lord's army. That's it.
I'm in the Lord's army.
That's it.
I may never march in the infantry. Ride on the cavalry.
Shut the artillery. I may never fly. I'm in the Lord's army. That's it.
Ano ba?
Alright.
Okay, it's a bit...
Alright. Yay!
Abby,
Only
that's
one
for
in
you.
the
Paano pa?
Ate